undertow. Like a raging river, the Karen's gonna flow. Plant a good deed seed and you know it's gonna grow. Change it. You can change it. Rearrange it. You can change the world. You can change.
Tornado emergency for downtown Birmingham. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Jefferson County, northwestern Shelby County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 4 miles west of Birmingham, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for downtown Birmingham. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a deadly tornado. Radar shows tornado debris in the air. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Birmingham at 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Irondale at 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Forestdale, Cohata Heights, Homewood, Hoover, Lake Purdy, Fairfield, Hart, Fultondale, Midfield, and Vestavia Hills. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight.
See you soon!